I'm using the leftover fabric I used for this boo-boo, and as you can see, it's different color. I joined it together, then I cut it the measurements I want. The measurement of this fabric is 57 inches by 37 inches. So this ruler I'm using is 2 inches width. So I don't have to be ruling and marking. I just have this ruler 2 inches width. So I'll put it, then I'll mark it. So we will mark 2 inches. 2 inches we will mark like this. So after ruling it, I'll start to rule it like this. Connect this angle to this angle. Connect this angle to this angle. Do this, jump this, do this, jump this, do this, jump this. Then you jump this line. You should not mark this line. Then you come to the third line. Then you mark this like this. You jump this. Mark this like this. Then you jump this. You see all this place I marked? All this place, I will just join it angle to angle, jump here, angle to angle, just so everything. Then now I will take it to the sewing machine. I will join this angle to this angle. I will just show only this place because it's repetitive, you understand? So there's no need of me showing how to do everything. You see this place I ruled? I'll take it like this, then I'll join it to the other angle. You see? You see the way it is? Then I will sew everything like that. See this place, the way it is like this? I'll just bring it down like this. Then I'll pin it. Because if I don't do this, it will be difficult for me to take my head circumference. So I'll just pin it like this, you see? You see the way it is? Just bring it down like this. Then I'll pin it. You see this place? Bring it down like this. Any place this stitch is, you just bring it down like this. Then pin it. It will be easy for you to sew the band on it. The fabric is so moving. It's moving. So it's supposed to be like this because it's because of the type of the fabric. When you use a cotton fabric, it will be more stable. I'll measure 23 inches. And I'll fold it from here to here. So I'll mark it like this. Then I'll sew it curved like this. So now we'll cut along this line. I'll mark here from here to 5.5 inches. I'll mark it to this place. Before I lose this place I marked, you see I marked from here to here 5 inches. Before I lose here to where this 5 inches is, I will take it to the sewing machine. Then I will stitch it down. I will open this place. I will stitch this way and I will stitch this way before I lose it. Then I will make my pleat. I'll pleat here like this. You see, I'll fold here like this. Here like this. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. I will do 2 pleats. Then I'll pinch here. Then I'll put it on top of here. You see, you should cover this thread that you sew, this thread line. You should cover it. Now pick it like so. Then pin it. Then I will take it to the machine again to sew. Then I will cross it. Then I will take it to the machine to sew this place. I will sew along this sewn line. Then I will sew along this sewn line. I'll start to pin from the middle. After sewing the pleat on it, I will cut off the excess. I'll cut it off. You see the way I cut this fabric, triangle shape. If you like, you can cut it straight, you can cut it as you like, but I just prefer this triangle shape. This side is 6 inches and it's long 20 inches. So I'll fold it. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. Then I will pin this to the band. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. After sewing this rope to tie it on it, then I will not do it like this, you see. I'll try to do it in a way I can center it. Then I'll turn it like this. Then I'll put pin in the middle here. This will be my middle, okay? Then I'll mark it in 4 parts. See, I already mark here. I'll mark it here, 1. Then I'll mark it in the center front, 2. Then I'll mark it in the side like this. Because I have to see where I'm picking to sew. Then this sewn line in the back, I will not mark it because there's already a stitch. There's already a sewn line here. So what I will do, you see the way it is. So I'll take this, then I'll pin it. You see, I'll pick it like this. Then I'll come to this way. Then I'll stitch it. This side, I'll pick 1, 2, 3. Then I'll stitch it just as I did before. Then I'll come this way, I'll pick 1, 2, 3. Then I'll stitch it. Then I'll come to this back, I'll pick 1, 2, 3. Then I'll stitch it. Then I'll do the same to the center front in the 4 parts like that.